and hold fast to the rope of Allah, altogether, and do not become divided. And remember Allah's blessings upon you, how you were enemies, and He reconciled your hearts, and by His grace you became brethren. And you were on the brink of a pit of fire, and He saved you from it. Allah thus clarifies His revelations for you, so that you may be guided. And do not be like those who separated and disputed after the clear proofs came to them, for them is a great punishment. O you who believe! Be patient, and advocate patience, and be united, and revere Allah, so that you may thrive. What is the matter with you, divided into two factions regarding the hypocrites, when Allah Himself has overwhelmed them on account of what they did? Do you want to guide those whom Allah has led astray? Whomever Allah leads astray, you will never find for him a way. Say, He is able to send upon you an affliction, from above you, or from under your feet. Or He can divide you into factions, and make you taste the violence of one another. Note how we explain the revelations, so that they may understand. As for those who divided their religion and became sects, you have nothing to do with them. Their case rests with Allah, then He will inform them of what they used to do. Then there are those who establish a mosque to cause harm, and disbelief, and disunity among the believers, and as an outpost for those who fight Allah and His Messenger. They will swear, our intentions are nothing but good. But Allah bears witness that they are liars. Just as we sent down to the separatists, we revealed to you the scripture only to clarify for them what they differ about, and guidance and mercy for people who believe. This community of yours is one community, and I am your Lord, so worship me. But they splintered themselves into factions. They will all return to us. This nation of yours is one nation, and I am your Lord, so fear me. But they tore themselves into sects, each party happy with what they have. So leave them in their bewilderment until a time. Of those who divided their religion, and became sects, each faction pleased with what they have. He prescribed for you the same religion He enjoined upon Noah, and what we inspired to you, and what we enjoined upon Abraham, and Moses, and Jesus. You shall uphold the religion, and be not divided therein. As for the idolaters, what you call them to is outrageous to them. Allah chooses to Himself whom He wills, and He guides to Himself whoever repents. They became divided only after knowledge came to them, out of resentment among themselves. Were it not for a predetermined decision from your Lord, judgment would have been pronounced between them. Indeed, those who were made to inherit the book after them are engraved out about it. If two groups of believers fight each other, reconcile between them. But if one group aggresses against the other, fight the aggressing group until it complies with Allah's command. Once it has complied, reconcile between them with justice, and be equitable. Allah loves the equitable. The believers are brothers, so reconcile between your brothers, and remain conscious of Allah, so that you may receive mercy. O people! We created you from a male and a female, and made you races and tribes, that you may know one another. The best among you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous. Allah is all-knowing, well experienced.